cosmic flow. It starts within, new energy moves through time and space, born align your soul and find your place. The universe inside of me, cue each breath aligns my destiny. No separation, no divide. Call the stars and I are unified. The higher realms, the deeper mind. Half of the keys are here for those who find a world unseen yet known so well. Out from earth to light, from sea to spell. Chakras turn, the planets call, dimensions rise, the veils fall. Not just matter, not just clay. We are the stars, we are the way.
The body is a temple, a cosmic design. Each energy, each sphere is woven in time. No planets above that do not exist within. Align your vibration and let the light begin.
Root to Saturn, sacral Mars, solar sun, the heart of stars, throat of Mercury, vision wide, crown of Jupiter, open sky. The universe inside of me, cue each breath aligns my destiny. No separation, no divide. Stars and I are unified. Call the higher realms, the deeper mind. Let the keys are here for those who find a world unseen yet known so well. Out from earth to light, from sea to spell. Stars inside, one in all, none divide. Feel the planets, feel the flow. As above,